Hello, I'm Patrick Linnell with the CattleFax Closing Bell, brought to you by Zoetis. Implant with 200-day Synovex 1 grass to get uninterrupted performance, bigger gains, lightened workloads, and more dollars. Visit NoStressSynovex.com. The monthly USDA Cattle on Feed report was released this afternoon, and all eyes were watching for the March placement figure. March placements dropped a sharp 23% compared to last year at 1.56 million head, near the average industry estimate and CattleFax forecast. Driving the drop in placements, prices for feeder cattle and calves were rapidly dropping throughout the month of March. As a result, sellers responded to the poor prices by delaying marketings, a trend that has mostly continued in April as well. And even with cheaper feeder cattle prices, feed yards and stocker operators were still not eager buyers due to the collapse in the futures market complex. Turning to this week's markets, the fed cattle trade was restricted at light to moderate volumes as packing constraints from COVID-19 reduced packer appetites and harvest capacity. Trade in the north occurred at mostly $95 to $100 per hundredweight live and $148 to $160 dressed, $5 to as much as $20 lower than last week. The sharp drop in beef production also drove the box beef cutout to record highs as tighter inventories forced buyers to aggressively chase product. Calves traded from 5 lower to 3 higher this week, depending on weight and region. Similarly, feeder cattle prices were mixed, ranging from 3 lower to 4 higher. The CME feeder cattle index was quoted at 119.48 cents per hundredweight on Thursday, up nearly $4 from last week. Market cows ranged from 3 softer to 3 firmer, averaging mostly steady. Corn ended the week down 9 cents per bushel, weighed down by collapsing energy prices. Crude oil futures stole the headlines earlier in the week by posting the first ever negative prices. With the market now looking at June as the nearby contract, prices are no longer negative but remain extremely depressed, set to finish the week near $17 per barrel. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.